Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're up with a brand new Tales of Arise video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to update the Tales of Arise to get the SAO collaboration pack. You know, with Kirito and Asuna, all that crazy good stuff. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Now, I actually have the files in Google Drive. I'll actually leave a link in the description below that will be shared by the time you can use it for the video. So you'll simply download these two files here. We're simply going to go down. It's already extracted. You're going to simply copy them, and you'll go to wherever you have your Tales of Arise folder, which for me is in my F drive, if a solid state drive. You're simply going to click paste. It'll paste in all of the information here, and basically that's it. Now the game automatically changes to Chinese, so we're going to need to change that back. So we're simply going to our location C folder, whatever your name is, app data, local, Bandai Namco, Tales of Arise, config, Windows No Editor, and gameplay user settings. Now at the bottom here, we're simply going to copy this in, culture US, whatever this is called. I'm sorry, I butchered that. We're simply going to paste that in there, or copy, type it in, whatever, and that's going to be it. That's it. So I should probably show you guys the Tales of Arise game working, just for the added content. I will show you that I have the DLC, so just stick with me for one moment while the game launches. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to smash that like button if you really enjoyed this content, and subscribe for more epic content like this. I do a bunch of how-to videos. I'm gonna need you to come on real quick. Okay, here we are. Also, I don't have the song on if you were wondering. As you can see, the SAO collaboration pack is here. Simply put on all that real quick first. I don't know why I clicked on that one. And as you can see,